So hello guys, today I will teach you how to change your crosshair in Roblox Bedwars. So please watch my video carefully and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. So let's start. So first go to your browser and search Kovacs Crosshair. You will see here Kovacs Crosshair Generator. Click it and you will see here you can edit what kind of crosshair you want. So you can change the shape, width, spacing, length, rotate, and to the stroke, width, stroke color. So let's edit spacing like this and like that. So I will so example, edit that like this. So download crosshair PNG. We can see here in downloads. So after you download the PNG of crosshair, you edit, go to Roblox file location. So right click, properties, file location, go to content, textures, and scroll down, find mouse lock cursor. Copy the name, go to downloads, rename the file you download in crosshair, rename, paste the rename of the crosshair you edit like that, mouse lock cursor, enter, and you will replace it here. I will drag it, replace this file in this destination here. So scroll up, go to cursors, then keyboard and mouse, and you will see here we have arrow cursor, arrow far cursor, and I-beam cursor. You will also paste the file you edit here. So I will paste it. Oh, sorry, I don't copy it. So copy, go to cursors, keyboard and mouse, then paste. And this tree, you will remove it and replace this one, like copy the name of arrow cursor, then we'll rename it and enter. Then you will delete this. Then create copy again. Then get the name of this one, delete, rename, paste, then paste again, create copy, paste, copy the name of this I-beam, copy, delete, rename, then paste. That's it. So let's now open the Roblox. And you will see here my cursor is now the one that I edit. So let's try in Bedwars. And now you will see it works. The cursor I edit is now in Bedwars. So that's it, guys. Thank you for watching. I hope you understand and follow my video, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. So thank you.